A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Here it is given that the number of articles produced per day, it was observed that on a particular day that the cost of production of each article, so the cost of production of the each article, single article, was rupees 3 more than the cost of more than twice the number of the articles produced on that day. So we can understand like this: total cost of production, we know that it is number of articles produced times of cost of article. So given the total cost of production is rupees 90 here. Now we need to find the cost of production of each article. The cost of production of each article is given as it was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on the day. So let the number of articles be x. So initially we will consider the number of articles is equals to x. So since the number of articles is equals to x, the cost of production of each article will be 3 more than twice the number of articles produced in that day. It means it will be the cost of production of each article will be 3 plus 2 times of the number of articles, means 2x plus 3. So the cost of each article is 2x plus 3. Now the cost of all the articles, the total articles is equals to number of articles produced times of cost of articles. So number of articles produced is x, the cost of each article is 2x plus 3, and the total cost of production is given as 90 in the question. So 90 is equals to x into 2x plus 3. So if we multiply x with 2x, that will be 2x square, and x into 3 is 3x. So 2x square plus 3x is equals to 90. Now transposing this 90 on the other side, that will be 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We will find the roots of this equation by factorization method by splitting the middle term. So in splitting the middle term method, we have to find any two numbers whose sum is equals to the middle term 3. And the product is equals to the coefficient of x square and the constant term, which is 2 and minus 90 here. So minus 90 times of 2 is minus 180. So this is the quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 90. We have to find any two numbers whose sum is equals to the middle term 3 and the product is equals to 2 times of minus 90, which is 180. So first we will take the numbers, the pairs of the numbers whose product is equals to 180. So 180, 2 times of 90, 3 times of 60, all these are the factors of 180, and these are the pairs of the numbers which will form 180. So out of this we have 15 and 12, which will give you the sum is equals to plus 3. So 15x minus 12x is equals to 3x. So in place of the middle term 3x, we can write plus 15x minus 12x. So 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equals to 0. Now in the first two terms we can take x common, and in the last two terms we can take minus 6 common. So in the first two terms, if we take x common, here 2 and x is remained and 15 is remained here, and in the last two terms we have minus 6 common. So if we take minus 6 common, 6 2 times is 12, so 12 is remained here, 2 is remained here, 2x, and 6 times of 15 is 90. So minus 6 is outside, so we can write it as 15. So in these two terms we have 2x plus 15 common, so we can write 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now x minus 6 is equals to 0, or 2x plus 15 is equals to 0. So transposing this minus 6 on the other side, this will be x is equals to 6. Here if we take 2x is equals to minus 15 and x is equals to minus 15 by 2. Now we can ignore this value because the number of articles will not be negative. So x cannot be negative since the number of articles cannot be negative. Therefore our answer x is equals to 6. Since the number of articles is equals to 6, cost of each articles will be 2x plus 3. So 2 times of 6 plus 3, which is 8. 2 times of 6 is 12 plus 3 is 15. So cost of each article is equals to 15 and the number of articles produced on the day was 6. Therefore, the total cost is 15 times of 6 is 90 as given in the question.